Before Zeo, the average consumer didn't really know much about sleep.
Getting enough sleep means waking up in the morning and feeling refreshed. That's the key.
The importance of sleep can't be overstated. It's just as important as diet and exercise.
There's a common misconception that when you fall asleep, it's when your body just shuts down. Your body, your brain, everything turns off, almost like turning off your computer. But in actuality, when you fall asleep, your brain is very active. Your brain goes through these different patterns of sleep, including restorative sleep, like deep and REM, or light sleep. So it's not just a time when things stop, but it's a time for your brain to go through different active processes that it can't do during the daytime.
Zeo is the first science-based product that is available for consumers in the home that can give them valuable information that they've never had before about their sleep every morning right by their bedside.
Zeo came about originally through a bunch of students at Brown University who were always groggy, and they wanted to find a way to help people wake up feeling better in the morning.
So when we were developing this technology, we talked to some leading sleep scientists and we said, how do we measure sleep? What's the best way to do it, and how can we do it in someone's home? And what they told us is sleep is in the head. It's in your brain. That's how we measure it. You're going to have to find a way to do that in the home. And by the way, good luck, because no one else has figured it out. The way we started was with a Zeo that had a women's Adidas headband and an Altoids tin attached to the front of it. So you actually went to sleep with an Altoids tin on your head. And what we did over the course of the last few years is we talked to hundreds of consumers about how they wanted this product to work, how they wanted it to look. We knew this had to be used in someone's bed every night. So it had to be extraordinarily comfortable. To do that, we used some really smart industrial designers and put it in consumers' hands over and over again. And what came back was they wanted it wireless, they wanted it soft, they wanted it small, and they wanted it easy to put on their head at night. And we created that product.
Zeo works through the use of a headband, which rests comfortably on your forehead and uses these dry, silverized sensors to pick up the brain waves that you naturally produce during the night.
So the silver fabric is literally just a sort of nylon spandex material that is covered in 99.9% pure silver. And what the silver does is it actually conducts your brain waves from the surface of your skin through the silver into the electronics module.
The headband is able to see your brain waves, and during sleep our eyes move. This is rapid eye movement. And also we move around a little bit. The headband is able to see all those things and then wirelessly transmit those to the bedside display.
And then we use algorithms in the bedside display to actually phase that sleep and be able to tell you whether you're in light sleep or deep sleep or REM or even awake.
There's actually a lot of information that's being collected every night, and we put it in a way that's very easy for you to understand and then hopefully can be very useful for you when you start to put things together with what you're doing during the daytime.
We test our products very extensively to make sure that the science supports the way that we're helping people. We've actually brought Zeo into a research setting against the gold standard for phasing sleep. And Zeo has been shown to accurately track your sleep patterns over the course of the night. Zeo has unlocked the black box of sleep for the first time. People can now, in their own home, learn about their sleep patterns. And what that enables you to do is connect some of the cause and effect patterns between your behavior and your lifestyle and the way that you sleep at night.